One can think about this as the alignment of man, machine, and clock. I'm Vikram Divecha. I'm an Indian artist based in Dubai. My project is titled Train to Rouen, and I've worked with MTX. It focuses on how the railway industry in the 19th century was instrumental in the constructing of time. The project also is in conversation with Claude Monet's painting Gare Saint-Lazare. We went to the Gare Saint-Lazare station and we requested them to delay a train by 5 minutes. Because a lot of my work deals with negotiating with urban systems, this delay is an intervention, an aesthetic gesture. It got registered on a document the station produces. And on this timeline, you have the vertical lines and horizontal lines misregisters, and it's more like an abstract musical score. We also have a video which documents the delay. The framing also references Claude Monet's painting. We picked up a pattern that they have been working on at the atelier of MTX, and we translated this into an artwork.